We're glad you're with us today. The Farmers Market downtown is a popular place to be on Saturdays, and there are other weekday options as well. We're joined by Stephanie Wooten, the business manager for the Lexington Farmers Market, and market manager Josh England. Thanks for coming in.
Thanks for having us today.
So we're still going to find lots of great things at the market.
Yes.
Tell us what's out there right now.
Well, you know, because of that cool spring we had, some of our summer products are really just getting started. So things like Kentucky peaches, tomatoes, we have a huge crop coming in this month. So a lot of people think with the back to school switch, you know, that we're transitioning to fall, but not quite yet.
Not quite yet. And that really, the weather always plays a huge factor in what's available, doesn't it?
That's absolutely right. As we go through the year, we had a cold beginning, and some of the things got a late start, but now we're starting to ramp up, and July and into August is a great time for things like corn and watermelon, some of the favorites, and then before you know it, we'll have things like acorn squash that are more associated with fall, but are still really great foods for us to have.
It's always fun to have those new ones come on board, too. Now, I think a lot of people are very attuned now to the Saturday markets and the Sunday market over at Southland, but you also have other markets that are available, too. Tell us about those.
That's correct. We actually have a weekday offering, Tuesday and Thursday. We are on the corner of South Broadway and Maxwell from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., and those markets run all the way up to Thanksgiving. So that's a really great way to stop in before work, on your lunch hour, after you drop your kids off at school. You know, we have some options for you during the week.
Well, and even though it's not going to be open that much longer, you also have a popular market over on the UK campus, too.
That's right. During the summer, we're able to partner with UK Health and Wellness, and they let us set up a farmers market right on campus by Commonwealth Stadium. And that goes just through the summer, so we have 2 more weeks of that. But that's an evening market on Wednesdays from 3 to 6, and you can stop by on your way home and get some blackberries or get some kettle corn even.
Yeah, a really great thing. What is the feedback you're getting from the farmers now on the growth of the market and what it really means to them?
I think they would tell you that it's bigger than it's ever been. Our customer base is as loyal as it's ever been, which is a great asset that we have. But our weekday markets are pretty strong. Our weekends are, of course, our biggest markets. But you know, we find that the Lexington public is really getting used to visiting us 4 or 5 times a week. They get smaller. Make smaller purchases for their weekly dinners. So
and
great.
If people get confused at all about the times with all the different markets, they can always check out the website.
Oh yeah, we have a great website. It's lexingtonfarmersmarket.com, or follow us on Facebook. Yeah. That's another great option. We always have tips and hints, and are always telling the community about all the things that are going on.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we thank you very much for coming in today.
Thank you.
Thank you.